What's up guys, and in this video I'll show you how to make origami samurai hat. So this is a very nice model. As you can see, it's in purple with the pink, so looks kind of beautiful and also very nice. So if you want to make this and don't miss any step, so keep watching my full tutorial and I hope you will like it. Thank you. To make a samurai hat, first step is you will fold it in half. You'll form a diagonal in the middle, and then after you have completed this, take this point and align it till there. Crease and take this point and align up in the middle. And like this. After you have completed this step, my next step is to take this point and align up till there. Crease and take this point and align up till there. So after you have completed this step, the next step is to take this point and align up till there, like this, and open it up. Now you will take this side and align up in the middle, like this, and you will follow the same steps over there. After you have completed this step, the next step is to take the first flap and fold it till this side, close it, and we will follow the same, and from till this line we'll crease it upwards. You can see from here till this line we'll crease it upwards, and your first step of hat is done. After you have completed this step, the next step is to fold it in half, and you will take this point and align up till there. You will crease, turn it over again, open it up, put your finger to make a space in the samurai hat, and then you will take this flap and put it inside the pocket, inside the hat. And we'll make a crease. So our origami samurai hat is ready. We'll press a little bit from the side, and this is how we make origami samurai hat. You can see this is a very nice model. And if you like my tutorial, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and follow my page if you're on Instagram. Thank you.